Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about my first bush warbler, which is known to be the only bush warbler in Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka bush warbler. Unfortunately, this bird has been named as near threat. Also known as Ceylon bush warbler or Palliser's warbler, is an old world warbler. Old world warblers are warblers that live in Asia and Africa. The new world warblers are warblers that live in North America and Europe. Small earthy brown colored birds with a graduated tail. It is an endemic resident breeder in Sri Lanka, where it is the only bush warbler. Rich buffy throat, short indistinct grey eyebrow and pale iris. Their calls are like very secretive, single or in pairs within wet vegetation in understory of wet forest in the hills and mountains of Sri Lanka. Locally named Sri Lanka WanaRaviya. Also featured in the 10 rupee postal stamp in Sri Lanka. It is a very rare bird to spot. Most of the pictures are taken near the Houghton Plains National Park. We visited Houghton Plains National Park last year. There are 9 kilometers to walk in the national park, where you come across many different landscapes, waterfalls, attractions, world's end, and animals. If you ever visit Sri Lanka, you have to make sure that you visit Houghton Plains National Park in your trip.